Am I live? Let me check. I hope I'm live right now. Oh, cool. I'm live. Hey, welcome. We're going to be streaming until the market close. So we're going to be streaming for about half an hour. And then see if we want to stream onwards. If there are enough people, we will keep on streaming. If there's enough demand. So let's see what's happening right now. So Tesla is at 422. Interesting. We predicted Tesla to the point. Perfect prediction. Not right now, but like in the past couple days. Hey guys, in a meeting, so I'll just watch you draw lines for a bit. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Wilson Mesquita says, "Hey, can't wait for the results." Yeah, me neither. What do you think about the SPY? Simon says, "Hi guys." I think the SPY is doing well. We predicted that the SPY would go up. I think I can show you. I think I've got some lines drawn. Yeah, there we go. We predicted exactly where the SPY would go. I haven't drawn this. I drew this like a week ago or something, like 4 days ago, and the SPY is moving exactly like we said it would. Same for the what is it? The MACD, the RSI, and yeah, I mean, so far we've been predicting it almost perfectly. Like we said, we would fill this gap, and then next we would go up to fill that gap, which could be the next move for the SPY, which will be about, it will get us to 3,460. But I think before we do anything like that, we're going to see a correction because the RSI is a little bit too overvalued. Yeah, it's about to go down. So just trying to say that, hey, this might just go down to about 3,355, and then we might go up again. But so something like that would happen for the S&P. Then we'll gradually go upwards. Hold on, see what I drew there. This was on the 4 hour, I believe. Yeah, I'm gonna check the live comments. Just give me 1 second. Wilson says, I really want to invest in AMD, just waiting for elections to end. Well, you could expose yourself to AMD by buying a small amount of AMD. I mean, there's no problem in doing that. When will the election winner be announced? I have no clue. If anybody knows what time the winner is announced, I think it's not going to be today, right? Because there's going to be these mail-in ballots. You think the SPY would see a large bump up tomorrow with the election news? Okay, yeah. Historically speaking, the MACD doesn't go up much more than where we are right now. So I would say that if Donald Trump gets elected, yeah, we're gonna see a bump. All right, we're gonna see a bump. We're gonna go all the way to 3,400 to around 3,425 if Donald Trump gets elected. I would say 3,430. Yeah, around there. If Donald Trump gets elected, re-elected. Would it be surprising to see that? Before I read the comments, guys, give me 1 second. I have to share the link again. Live right now. There we go. We've got about 25 minutes left until the markets close. So we're going to have to do some very quick analysis on what's happening. Right now, I believe, let me just hold on. I believe the markets are going to be going sideways around this point, potentially going downwards a little bit. I could see this come down to about 3,345 to around 50 because the MACD is looking pretty, I would say it's about to cross to the downside. And I would say the same thing about the RSI. It's pretty high. It's pretty high right now. So a little bit of a correction would be nice. If it doesn't correct and it keeps going up, Well, that can happen as well. You know, we've seen that before. It happened right around here. Just kept going up. So it could keep going up. Could very well happen. It could keep going up. But I would advise against it doing that, because that's going to be... Remember the last time it did this? Yeah, we went down rapidly. So I hope it doesn't go up a lot. I hope we see a little bit of a correction. Let me check the 1 hour. Right. I guess there is some space to the upside. Still some space to the upside. We're still bullish. It could happen. We could still keep going up, but I think it's less likely. We'll see a little bit of a correction. It would be healthy. So let's go to the 4 hour. See what the 4 hour is saying. Okay, this... Okay, guys, this is crazy. Let me just share the link. I didn't expect this. Join the live stream. I did not expect this. This is a... Wow, bombshell. There is a huge probability that we're going to go back to 3,583 in the coming weeks. Wait, hold on. Let me check the chat. I'm gonna have to talk right now. So I think there is a good probability that the SPY, the way it is right now, is going to be moving very rapidly. Just the way we did right there. We're going to move rapidly, like incredibly rapidly, towards the... let me just grab the drawing tool. This is pretty good news. The MACD is telling us this, that we'll see a huge run-up. So that would be... Okay, so let's see. This move was around that much. We'll have already filled this much. So we filled around... Okay, so we could... Wow, that's amazing. We could see it go up just like that. Nah, that's not correct, is it? Could that be the case? So I would say it would go up like that, and then just like that. Yeah. That's something I would see happening. Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. I think that's gonna happen. Yeah, pretty much. I think something like this will happen. Or I would see something else. We would see the bullish move to the upside just like that. And then from there we see a little bit of a correction, and then we just gradually go upwards. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. That would mean that we were going to be going to the $4,000. That would be so crazy. But wait, let me see if the MACD confirms this. No, the MACD is not confirming this. So it's just this move to what, 3,600. This move, yeah, we'll probably go to 3,600 to about 3,700 on the S&P 500. I don't know about the rest of it, but I think the market could go sideways tomorrow, or bearish if Joe Biden is like winning. This would be my prediction, actually. Like, honestly, this would be my prediction for the S&P. Corona time. Yeah. Okay, so let's head back to some stocks. 20 minutes until the market closes. Tesla's starting to go up a little bit right now. That's very, very nice. We predicted this move. Very, very amazing. Wow. Very nice. Nice. Still going up. But let me draw this drawing. I did this for the video, so we don't need this right now. We're about $423 right now for Tesla. So that's pretty nice. We were sitting at $380, and I told everybody, guys, this is going to be the bottom. This is the bottom. Nobody listened. Nobody listened. Everybody is now asking me, should I buy at $420? Should I buy at $426? And I'm like, where the hell were you when I said that this was a buying opportunity at $380? Anyway, I'll forgive you guys. It's fine. So, but what's AMD doing? I'm curious. I bought a lot of AMD. Oh, it's going up. That's fantastic. I actually predicted that it would go down a little bit. After going up a little bit, which I think if we move this, I'm not very good with the time frame, but something like this would be pretty much exactly what's happening. Yeah, we're about to go bearish. So AMD is let me just check my portfolio. Hold on. AMD looking pretty nice. Looking like a solid buy. Still. Yeah, it's going up. Very great. Very, very nice. Checking the live chat real briefly. Tesla's coming back down tomorrow. Yeah, possibly. Just a tiny amount, right? Just a little correction for Tesla. What are my thoughts on the Alibaba? Neo, Alibaba. Neo and Alibaba. I'm gonna do Neo first. Spam the link again. Live stream right now. See if people join. I want to see how many people are watching right now. See if there's any people in here. 76 people. Hey guys, welcome to the live stream. My name is Gara. I am Lucid Trading. What I do is I analyze stocks for you guys, so you guys don't have to. I'll do the best I can, and I'll try to give you my best guidance so that you can kind of take that guidance and just be like, you know, maybe I should do this and maybe I should do that. Just take it as advice. Don't take it literally. I'm not a financial expert. I just have a good track record, a high percent win rate for trading. That's the only thing I do have. I'm pretty young. You can see I'm not too old. I'm not like 40 or 50. Maybe some of you think I'm 40 or 50, but I'm not. But yeah, we do analyses, technicals, and fundamentals, and we talk about personal finance every now and then as well. So Neo looking like it's going to go down. So not too surprising. We've kept on saying this. But yeah, on top of that, guys, what I wanted to say, I have an Instagram and TikTok account right now. I'm going to be uploading short clips of the videos that I make on a daily basis to the Instagram and the TikTok. And these videos are going to be very short clips of me saying, I'm just going to draw, and then after that, I'll be like, okay, so this is a buying opportunity or not. So buying and selling signal videos are going to be available on the Instagram and TikTok very, very soon. So follow me on Instagram and TikTok. The links are down below in the description. I just wanted to say that. I think you might find that useful. The Instagram is going to be a little less fun. It's going to be pretty to the point. The TikTok videos are going to be more fun, you know, because lots of younger people are on TikTok. So I'm going to try to be young. No, I'm joking. Live chat. Neo so far going down. But Workhorse did well today. Yeah, Workhorse did very well. We predicted that one yesterday. Yesterday night, I made the first Workhorse video for me ever. So, so far so good. What do I think about Amazon? I think Amazon is a great buying opportunity at the moment. 15 minutes left until the market closes. Until markets close, everyone. I need to get everybody in the live stream right now. Right the hell now. Oh, by the way, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll be going live many, many times in the future. Hit the bell icon. You'll be able to get a notification for the next times that we're going to be going live. It will be very handy for you. or else you're going to miss out, because so far we've been about 80 to 90% accurate on many of the predictions. Yeah, I can't get it perfect, right? And nobody can get it perfect, obviously. I think I want to look at Tesla. Tesla's going down now. Let me just go to the 5 minutes for Tesla. Well, that's interesting. It's going bearish. It's about to recover, about to go upwards, so it should be fine. Want to look at Apple very briefly. Apple going up. I think we said we would go down, right? We're going the opposite direction, literally the opposite. We said basically the MACD was about to come down, and what was it? The RSI rather high, so we thought we might correct to the downside, which I think is going to look more like this now, possibly more like that. See, we cannot get it perfect. It might look like what's happening right now, but yeah, it's nice though. It's like 2% up. Well, the S&P is up more than Apple. That is strange. S&P 500 is up like 2.1%. Let me check the live chat, guys. So about 12 more minutes left. 12 more minutes, guys. And the markets are going to close. This is very exciting. Election day, markets are going up significantly. You can see the S&P 500 is up huge. We started around 3,300 point, what was it, 3320 or something? Now we're at 3380, up 2%. Yeah, we started at around 3310. That's crazy. Everybody was saying the markets are going to drop. You are crazy for being bullish. I'm going to dislike your channel. You're crazy. And we got it right. So I got a lot of dislikes, I got to tell you, especially on the Tesla one. Back when we were at 380, I was the only one saying Tesla's going to go up. Every single person said, you are crazy, I'm going to dislike your video because Tesla is going to go back to $350. And I was like, okay, do your thing. But I just bought like $3,000 worth of Tesla, and I'm going to profit heavily. So I don't know about you. So yeah, it was a rough period. I got a lot of criticism because many other technical analysts on YouTube were saying the same thing. They were all saying, yeah, Tesla's going to go down. It's going to go to $300. And I was the only one saying, nah, it's going to go up. It's not going to go down. This is, historically speaking, a very strong support, especially considering that this is the fourth quarter for Tesla, where usually from the third quarter to the fourth quarter, Tesla has amazing rallies. This is historically speaking, especially when both quarters are incredible. So I thought, no way this is going to go down below that level. I mean, yes, it was going down because the S&P 500 was going down, but that's a one-time thing. So yeah, that's why I thought Tesla would go up. And then we did the prediction video for the 420 for $30 mark, and we had it spot on. Yeah, enough bragging. Oh, okay, avoid. Somebody asked me to analyze Alibaba, and I've been like avoiding it all this time. So let me just do Alibaba. I've already done it. Oh, okay. So I think Alibaba is like a very great buy right now. It's probably bottoming very soon. It's actually bottoming right now, so it should be going upwards just like that. Yeah, this is definitely gonna go up. Even faster. It's going to go up like that. It should be fine. It should be fine. We're oversold right now. 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours. It could go deeper. It could go a little bit deeper down. Be careful. I think the bottom might be around 280. Around 280 to around 282 for Alibaba. It is about to fill this gap though to 277. So it could retrace all the way back there. But then fair enough, but we could also retrace back up because this was also a gap. So we could also just start going up significantly. Wouldn't be too surprising. I'm checking the live chat right now. How much do I think NIO is going to drop? I think NIO is going to drop significantly after earnings, probably 10 to 20%. In the longer term, quarter after that, we're probably going to go down another 10 to 20%. I'm thinking this because usually, because NIO is a very cyclical stock. The first months of the year, NIO performs very poor. Same goes for Tesla, same goes for any other electric vehicle maker that is delivering to normal consumers. We would say, so wait, hold on. I can show you something right here. November, okay, so what is this, 2019? Right. So there we go. Guys, if you're holding NIO stock, you need to watch right now. Pay attention. You need to pay attention right now if you're holding NIO stock or if you want to hold NIO stock in the future. I'm going to draw my drawing tool. I'm going to grab my drawing tool. We are right now. Okay, so this was 2019. We're grabbing 2019. And because NIO is a cyclical stock, no matter what price NIO is at, the movement is going to be similar. It's not going to be exactly the same, but the general kind of movement in the stock price will be very similar. What we saw happening here is that we gradually moved upwards for January, and then we had a sharp move downwards, very sharp move downwards, right? So we went up and we went down, just like that. Why did we go down so much? And this is March, obviously, but how did we go down so much? Well, this was the COVID crisis, right? But on top of this, usually in the first months, NIO does not perform that well in terms of selling vehicles. And this is a bad example because this is in March because of COVID, etc. So we went down massively. We went from, I remember NIO sitting at $2 and I picked up some NIO stock. I sold it at around $4 at some point, which was, if you think about it, it's a 100% increase. It's a very good trade, but it went up like 10 times. So what did I know, right? I was just trading. So kind of bad of me, but what the important thing is going to come up right now. So that was an odd year. That was a black swan year. But now when we look at, oh, come on, you're kidding me. Okay, there we go. We have enough information. Yeah, great, fantastic. Right. There we go, right? So we had a huge move from October to November to the end of November, and then gradually we start falling down for NIO, right? We start falling, we have another pump, last hope pump, we go down significantly during December. And I think something very similar is going to happen for us. Hold on. Okay, so this could be like that. Right, this is perfect. Let me check the live chat right now. Anyone who is holding NIO needs to listen up right now. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this was 2018. 2018, NIO had a huge run-up, like we did. Huge run-up to, it was right there. We crashed a little bit, and then we went up to about, I guess, the end of November. We had a huge run-up. Then we went sideways. We had a wishful pump to the upside, and then we kept going down from the 14th of December. And we kept going down, we went sideways again, and then gradually went up after February, and then we crashed again, and then we had a pump at around the end of February. Because this period right here, this little dip, this happens because in January and February, we don't really sell any vehicles at NIO. January, February, and March. Same goes for Tesla. I can show you the same graph for Tesla stock. It's going to be similar. I think the markets are going to close in 4 minutes, but hold on. So I think what's going to happen is, okay, say for example that NIO right now it is sitting at around, let's say that we're right here, right? 19 November. It looks a little bit like this. We're at 19 November. And, okay, wait, no, that's a bad idea. Let's just take around 6th of November, like around our time period. We go down a little bit, so it's around 35, it goes down to 33, and then we gradually move up towards 35, 36, and then it will go to $40. And it would go down significantly after earnings. Just imagination, right? This would be earnings, then we go down significantly, we go sideways, and then we keep going downwards. This is going to be the correction phase. In December until January, we'll see heavy downwards movement to 24th of December, somewhere around there, we'll be going down. Just give me 1 second. Some people just really like attention. They just shout. So that's what I'm thinking. I don't think you guys can follow it, but the idea is, the summary is, December, bad for NEO. End of December, bad for NEO. January, very bad for NEO. Very, very, very bad. You don't want to hold NEO in December or in January. You just don't. You just don't want to hold it. We have 2 years where January and December were terrible for NEO. So I'm just trying to say that, and that's pretty much I wanted to say. All right, so let's go back to the S&P 500. S&P is starting to move down quite a lot. What is happening? What is happening? Damn, we got 3 minutes left, guys. 3 minutes left. Super exciting. See how many people are watching right now. Oh, we got 170 people watching. Hey guys, welcome to the live stream. My name is Gara. I am Lucid Trading. I analyze stocks for you guys to give you the best guidance on YouTube for your stocks. This is just guidance. I'm not trying to be a financial advisor or anything, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a trader with a very good track record and high win rate, I guess you could say. And I really just enjoy giving you guidance, giving you value for, for valuetainment. You know that YouTube channel? It's quite a good YouTube channel. I try to give you guys some value with technical analysis, because I've been watching technical analysis videos. And I just thought, nah, I can do this better. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to do it myself. So yeah, Tesla is at $423.87. Down. 6% up. We predicted this whole move. 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Okay. But yeah, guys, 1 more minute. I'm going to be looking at, let me check. I'm going to be looking at the SPY. SPY's coming down. SPY is coming down. Wow. 1 more minute. Last minute dump. Look at that. This is the last minute dump. Oh my gosh. People are dumping the stocks. They're dumping. Oh my god. This could have some heavy impact on all the stocks right now. Markets are about to close. How much? Oh, 10, 20 seconds left. See what's happening. By the way, after the markets close, we're also going to be doing technical analysis for all the stocks that you guys want me to analyze. So you just have to comment me down below in the live chat which stocks you want me to analyze. Did the markets close? Or am I wrong? Could it be? Let me check. Yeah, the market's just closed, right? The market's just closed. Nice, interesting, very interesting, very interesting. Damn. All right, that was exciting. It was very, very exciting. Trading day, elections. I mean, we're going to know the result very, very soon. What's going to be happening? I'm going to be watching that. And if you want me to live stream that, make sure you let me know that in the comment down below. Also, comment down which stock you want me to analyze right now in the live chat, and I'll be analyzing your stocks right now. Comment down below which stocks do you want me to analyze. We'll be analyzing every single stock that there is, basically. So keep it on. Keep it up, guys. Comment it down below. Analyzing your stocks for free, everyone. I made a misspell. Guys, if you want to join the Discord, you can do this via the link in the description. There's a link in the description that guides you back to the Discord, the Discord server. You can be part of it. We talk about finance, trading, etc. So if you want to be part of the Discord, there's a link below in the description. You can tap that and you'll gradually get in here. And on top of that, guys, we also have an Instagram account. Check out the Instagram. We'll be uploading small videos of the small snippets of the videos that we make. The buying and the selling signals will be on Instagram. It's going to be awesome. It's also going to be on TikTok, although it's going to be a little bit different to the Instagram. So make sure you follow me, the Lucid Trading channel on Instagram and on TikTok. The links are down below in the description. Check it out, guys. It's going to be awesome. It's already after hours. It's Tesla's trading at 423.89 and post-market it's trading at 424. And we're pretty much going upwards. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of stock requests. I'm gonna go buy. Lots of people are spamming all kinds of stocks. So if you keep on spamming, I'm gonna report you, and I'm gonna like kick you out. Don't spam. Just tell me which stocks you want me to analyze without spamming. I'm gonna be reading them all. Keep it up. We're going to look a little bit at the after hours, see what's happening there. I'm curious about NIO. What's NIO doing right now? NIO at 35.5. Wow. Damn. Look at that. This is unreal. It just keeps going up. Wow. But if we look at NIO on the monthly, we can see it's parabolic. It's looking very parabolic. So, yeah. The weekly looking parabolic. The daily is looking like it's going to come down like really rapidly, very fast, very soon. Daily for NIO is looking pretty bad. Let me check how many people are watching. It's about 173 people. Wow, I didn't expect that. Lots of people online right now. So let's start. Let's start to analyze some stocks. I'm going to look at the stocks that you guys commented. Okay, so what I'm seeing right now. Wow, there's a lot of comments, guys. There's a lot of comments. Workhorse, Peloton, Square, Workhorse, Amazon, AMD, Workhorse. All right, you know what? I'm going to go Workhorse right now. We're going to do Workhorse. We're going to do the analysis for tomorrow. We're going to have to zoom in a little bit, go to the 30 minutes. Okay, so it looks like that... Because I already made a video about Workhorse. Workhorse, I would say, Workhorse would probably see a correction. I think we'll see a little bit of a correction. I think it could be possibly going down to $16.9 to around $16.6, and then gradually we'll be going up. RSI will come down, MACD will come down. It will be needed, right? Because if it doesn't come down, then it's a bad sign. But yeah, after that, I do believe we're going to be rallying until earnings. As long as the stock markets are green, right? Because the markets are very volatile right now. Okay, so we had AMD, we had Apple, Square. You know what? I'm gonna do Square because I haven't done Square in a very long time. Like I'm telling you, like I haven't done Square in like ages. I did say that Square would go up from about this. What was it? 153. It's trading at 158, so it did go up like 4%, right? 2% today. Let me delete some lines. So I think Square, if we look at the 1 hour, it's going to correct a tiny amount. But on the 4 hours, it looks like we're going to see a bust to the open. Yeah, to the upside. Just like that. Definitely does look like that right now. It's going to bust like heavily. So I would expect Square to be going upwards rapidly the coming days and weeks. That's what I would expect for Square. If earnings are good, if earnings are bad, we're gonna plummet. So we always have that danger of earnings being super terrible. So we'll have to be careful on that one. AMD, I think I'll do AMD next because I think AMD has been is getting sucker punched. 76.5. Yeah, we should have been way higher right now. We do see that AMD is seeing a lot of bullish momentum to the upside, so it's not looking that terrible. It's looking pretty fine. Like, it's not going down, you know, like it's moving up like the whole market is moving up. I bought some AMD at around 74.9, 74.6, 75.5, I believe. So I'm in this for the long haul. So we'll see MACD go up, possibly just like that, which that should be giving us enough room to be at least going up to the 78, and then after that to the 79. Possible correction happening then, and then gradually moving up to 78, 70, I mean 82 to the 80s. AMD is looking hella bullish anyway, so but we'll have to be careful. I think the 4 hours still could be a little bearish. We'll have to look at the daily. Yeah, okay. Fair enough. This could very well be the bottom. We could be creating a bottom right there, so could be very bullish. Neo. People are saying Neo, do Neo, 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 Neo. I'll do Neo, alright? I'll do Neo. Come on. Stop harassing me. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we're gonna come back down. I'm just gonna keep saying this. We're gonna come back down just a little bit. Probably go sideways, just like that. Something like that would be very probable. But that's the 30 minutes, right? See what the 1 hour is saying. Yeah, 1 hour is saying, yeah, we're gonna correct a little bit, just like that. 4 hours. 4 hours still strong, very strong. But it does look like we're about to top out, so we have to be careful. Like I'm telling you, this is about to like top out just like that. And if we look in past history, what that means is, I'll show you right now. When it tops out like that, yeah, we'll see a bunch of sideways movement to the downside. That's what usually happens when we see this kind of movements. So if we draw it out properly, then that would pretty much mean that we'll gradually be moving just like that, and we'll see a breakthrough just like that. It's not going to be to the 43, but it's going to go to around 40, and then just, yeah. So let me draw that again so you guys get this properly. Sideways movement to the downside, possibly hitting 33, and then we have a breakthrough again, and then it's just like that, and we'll create a top around earnings and then gradually correct. That would be pretty likely for Neo stock. Let's see, how many stocks do you guys... I already did Workhorse, guys. Roku. I haven't done Roku in a long time. But I want to look at Tesla right now real quick. Tesla doing fine, 424. That's fine, that's fine. Stock market is doing fine. Roku. Oh, that looks pretty bad. If earnings are good, we should be going up. If earnings are bad, we're done. That's Roku. You know, it's like, that's it, folks. That's it, folks. That's it. We're done. Thanks for coming. We're done. So if earnings are bad, it's going to keep going down like that to around here. Maybe bounce a little bit then, but it does look like it's oversold. MACD's about to go up, so yeah, it's iffy. It's all going to be about earnings. But you know, there's going to be an anticipation run anyway for Roku. So I would say that it will gradually come down and then we'll see a pump to the upside. If earnings are good. I don't know. I don't know about this one actually. I'm just gonna not say anything. I'll look at the 1 day. If the 1 day is saying something different, nah, this could keep going bearish. This could keep going bearish. This could pretty much come down like that, and then yeah, that's very possible because we're also like the valuation is also very high. Yeah, we could see something like this, you know? Yeah, honestly, we could see ourselves go down like that. But you know what? Let's go to the next stock. Beyond Meat. Somebody wants Beyond Meat. It's the same person though. But I'm also curious, like, what is Beyond Meat doing right now? I said we would bounce. See if we did bounce. Did we bounce? We didn't bounce yet. Yeah, Beyond Meat is about to bounce, so the MACD is clearly indicating that. So, waiting for a bounce for Beyond Meat. Peloton. Okay, I'm just looking at all the stocks. Zoom. Zoom. Let's check Zoom. Yeah, I think Zoom is going to bounce very soon. Oh, wait, never mind. What am I saying? It's not going to bounce. Am I crazy? It's not going to bounce. It's not bouncing at all. It could bounce, but I don't think it's necessarily going to bounce right away. This could very well go to 430, 412 on the daily. Like, we're having a big correction right now. However, I do like to say with Zoom, once it has bottomed, there's some huge upside. There's like huge upside. I'm talking $600, $700. So, yeah, just trying to explain that. So, it's sitting at 450 right now. Tesla and Amazon. I already did a Tesla analysis today, but I think what's going to happen for Tesla, pretty much, I think what's going to happen is we'll see some bearishness, just a little bit of bearishness to the 415, and then we'll bounce. And once we've bounced, we're going to gradually shift towards the 440s. Pretty much. I drew it way better on the video, so if you want to check out the video, it's on the channel. How many people are watching right now? I'm quite curious. Is it 173? 186! Wow, I'm going to have to introduce myself again, guys. My name is Gara. I'm Lucid Trading. I do technical and fundamental analysis for your stocks, and I try to give you the best guidance possible on YouTube. If you love my videos, if you like them, if you watch them, make sure you hit the thumbs up on the live stream and subscribe to the channel. You'll get a notification for whenever I go live next. I would really appreciate that. And honestly, guys, that would just mean the world to me. So on top of that, guys, if you want to support the channel, I have a Patreon account. You can support me there. You can show some love at the Patreon account. And on top of this, you'll get many benefits like early access to the videos, consultations, etc. Many other things like live Q&As, personal messaging. That's going to be available for the Patreon if you want to support me. There's a Discord server if you want to join that. We have about 250 people, I believe, in the Discord server right now. So if you want to join that, it is in the description. Link is right there. You can check it out. And I would also like to say that I made an Instagram account where I'll be showing you small snippets of the videos that I make on YouTube, but then sort of like as buying and selling signals. So I would draw a line and then say, okay, so it's going to go up or down. And I'm going to take that little clip, put it on Instagram and TikTok, because I also have a TikTok account now. And then you can watch those videos on Instagram and TikTok. So follow me there. The accounts are very new, so I don't have videos up yet. But very soon I'll have video clips of the buying and selling signals on Instagram and on TikTok. Check the description. Links of the Instagram and the TikTok are down below. I also have a Twitter account, and on Twitter I globally try to summarize what's happening with the stock market, with stocks. So that's on the Twitter. Also a link in the description. Wow, that really took a long time. Jeff says, I just clicked on this and he's already trying to sell me. Well, the thing is, I'm not. I I do this every 20 to 30 minutes or something, or maybe a little more often. But so which stocks should I review right now? Nvidia, great one. Oh wow, we had it right in that we would go up, but because the stock moved so high, we kind of had it wrong. So if we would have moved this right here and this right there, right? I think this is going to be happening next. I think we're going to see a little bit of a correction to the downside for Nvidia or Nvidia. I don't know how you pronounce it. Probably to 511 or $510, and then gradually we'll see. I think Nvidia is going to rally to the upside the same way with like Tesla is going rally. Like Nvidia is going to rally like super hard as well. So it's looking like it's not a very strong buy, but it's a buy. Like you could buy Nvidia right now, although it was a little bit more attractive. How about Uber? Uber, I don't know about Uber, but let's check Uber. Uber is looking like it's gonna go down. We were bullish before. We drew this line, you know, like hey, we're gonna go up, but I think it's gonna. Can we delete that? I think it's gonna come down. Looking like it's about to come down. But on the 4 hours, there's space to the upside. Yeah, okay, so this is very difficult. This is very difficult. It could definitely move on earnings. Yeah, I think it's going to move on earnings to the upside. I think it's going to be bullish on earnings for what I can see right here. Yeah, definitely. I mean, look at Uber. It has been at this price for so long. I mean, this was the IPO date, right? You know what? I think Uber is a buy. I think Uber is a strong buy at the moment. Although it does look like the weekly is not that that good. But I think Uber is a strong buy. It's just you can't really forecast because you don't really have a lot of historical data. Yes, dollar cost average is definitely your best friend. Definitely dollar cost averaging your best friend. Facebook, good one. Facebook. Guys, by the way, we have around 10 more minutes of streaming time, and then I'm going to take a break because I'm going to have to record more videos for the coming hours. And then possibly around the time where the results are going to be clear, I'm going to be going live again. So if you're subscribed to the channel, you can watch with me. We're going to be watching the election results. And I'm going to demonetize that video. There's probably going to be copyrighted stuff. It's whatever. We're going to just watch it together. Not going to monetize that. And let's see what's happening here. Facebook going down. It's going down on the daily. I would stay away from Facebook right now. It's going down on the daily. But it's going up on the, like, okay, so what could happen is we just go up and then down and then just gradually go down. That's what's happening with Facebook. Right, so, right. But what's the weekly doing? Weekly, oh guys, Facebook is going to come down. Yeah, it's going to come down. I don't know how much. I think it's going to come down huge. At least that's how it's looking like right now for the daily and the weekly. Yeah, this could potentially be. Well, I mean, this is a little bit exaggerated, right? But it could come down like that, right? I don't think Facebook is looking pretty bright. I think we could go around here, 250, and gradually be going upwards. So that would be like, okay, correct, go upwards, and then gradually go up. This could be the case. Wait, that's Facebook. Let's see, Fastly. I think it was Fastly? Faster. What is faster? You want to talk? You want to talk faster? No, I'm kidding. What do you see NEO by the end of 2020? I think by the end of 2020, NEO will be in the mid $20 range. Mid or lower $20 range by the end of 2020. XBV. Magnetic. Okay. Someone has been spamming Magnetic like 20 minutes straight. So I'll go to Magnetic if it's even there. Am I getting trolled? I can't find it. Being trolled. Alibaba. I already did Alibaba, so you can just, if you can find it, I already did it. I think Alibaba could go down just a little bit more before it goes up. I'm gonna go back to Tesla, see if there's anything happening there. Nothing really happening there. Going to the 5 minutes. BYD, Netflix. I'm still looking at your stock requests, just finding some that are actually really good. NNMD. BLNKW. That's a very long one. Damn. Facebook. Okay. From what I've been seeing right now, NEO will be $450 by January. Nah. That's no way. No way. I'm gonna go to BYD. That one is very good, actually. I think it was it this one? BYD company, or was it one of these two? I'll just go to that one. I don't know what's happening here. I'm not even gonna try. I'm just gonna go to what is it? Everybody wants to see Palantir. Palantir. Come on. That's the wrong one, isn't it? Or is it not? Palantir Tech. Okay, cool. I think this should be it, right? Isn't this the wrong one, though? No, it's not the wrong one. So far, it's moving pretty closely to what we've been saying, just a little bit different, I guess. We've been moving down, and if we move this, looks exactly like what's been happening. But yeah, we'll have to move it just like that. But yeah, we could see a little bit more bearishness, but I don't really think so. I think we're fine. We should be seeing some more moves to the upside for Palantir. Should be very bullish. Netflix. Somebody wants Netflix, you'll get Netflix. Oh wow. That's terrible. What's happening with Netflix? We're about to go bearish again. A little bit bearish. We're just trading sideways, right? We had a huge pump to 514 on the 30th of October. We predicted that one actually. So, but I think we'll see some sideways and then gradually going back up. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, gradually. And then possibly just like that, and then we'll see a pump to the upside at some point for Netflix. I think it will definitely recover in the winter. If you want a 100% return, okay, Jake, you are going to get a timeout. You're spamming, man. Mynaric. I've never heard of Mynaric. I don't know what they do, but Is it a German company? Oh, it's gonna keep going down. This is bad. I don't know what's happening with this company, but electronic technology, aerospace and defense. Yeah, okay, so it's looking bad, but this could very well recover. I think right around here it's going to recover 53.4, and we'll see a bit of a recovery happening, etc. Yeah, definitely. Should be fine. We're going to oversold direction, so we'll pretty much recover. MACD is going to recover. If this is fundamentally speaking a solid company, then it should recover. AMD, I think I already did AMD, but I'm going to just look at it very briefly. AMD, look at AMD right now. Yeah, AMD is going to go up, definitely. It's going to be rallying. We're going to go back to the 80, 90, and the hundreds, probably. Yeah, AMD is looking solid. But yeah, let me see how many people are watching. 158 people watching. Oh my. Hey guys, if you don't know me, I'm Gara. I'm Lucid Trading. I analyze stocks on the technical and the fundamental basis for you guys to get the best guidance on YouTube. If you like my videos, if you like my live streams, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Soon we're going to take a break on live stream. So if you're subscribed, you'll get a message for when we're going to be live again. We're going to be live right before the election results are going to be available to us, you know. So I'm going to be live streaming that. On top of that, guys, I made an Instagram account and a TikTok account. I'll be uploading short snippets of the normal videos on the Instagram and the TikTok account. Make sure you follow me. You can get the link for the Instagram and the TikTok down below in the description. There'll be awesome snippets where I'll be giving you buying and selling signals for many of your stocks. It's going to be on the Instagram and the TikTok. Link is below in the description. I also share information about the stock market and stocks on Twitter. So if you want to follow me on Twitter, feel free to do so. That'll be awesome. If you want to join the Discord link is in the description. You can join right away. It's free, doesn't cost anything. You can talk about trading and finance and everything. Discord link in the description. Supporting me is possible through Patreon. I accept any kind of donations. You'll get many, many benefits back for your donations. So feel free to do so. It would be very awesome. So let's just summarize what we just said. Instagram and TikTok links in the description along with the Twitter and the Discord. If you want to support me financially, you can do this through the Patreon link, also in the description. All right, guys, I think I'm about to stop the live stream because I'm about to have to record many videos for you guys. So I'm going to be doing that right now. And I had a great time with you guys. The elections are going to be live streamed. So if you're subscribed and you hit the bell icon, you'll be there when I'm going to be live streaming that. So make sure you do so. And then I'll be seeing you very soon. All right, guys, I'm going to